Have you ever heard a word that seems to have many different meanings? English has a lot of words like that. One of them is the word set. Depending on how we use it, set can mean very different things. Let's explore 6 common meanings of the word set and see how context changes everything. First, set can mean a group of things that belong together. For example, a set of dishes includes plates, bowls, and cups that all match. A set of tools includes everything you need for a certain task. When things are part of the same collection, we can call them a set. Second, set can mean the place where a movie, show, or play is filmed. Actors don't film in real houses, they perform on a movie set. The buildings, furniture, and background are all part of the set. It creates the world of the story. Third, set can mean to decide or fix something. When plans are finished and won't change, they are set. If a teacher says, the exam day is set, it means the day is chosen and finalized. Fourth, set can mean to start moving. When someone begins a journey, they set off. If you set off for school, you are leaving and starting your trip towards your school. Finally, set can mean to become firm or hard. When wet cement dries, it sets. When jelly cools, it sets. That means it changes from soft or liquid to solid. And that's it, the meanings of set. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more topics.